ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka sarkar jilla kala bo thong ban bo hakmat ya ka kot ka khia jong ki khna rin hapo ke jilla Meghalaya ha ka khan nyo trik ubnai kala lingkot arajar arpuar kala shim ya ka rai ban pentrai kam ya ka Early Childhood Development Mission. Menteri Ketenaga ki kampo yeng ba lakmen remboi haba ya kren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin malawai ka jingelang jong ka kinhon menteri ulaong balingba ka jing pentrai kam yagani ka mission bon dili ki shnong kin sha kin thop hapo ka ICDS khnang ban pet ya ka bha ka miat jong ki khna ren
needs of the early childhood development for the holistic development of the children. The cabinet today has approved the Early Childhood Development Mission. In this, it will be a convergence of the social welfare, the health department, education, and all the stakeholders, so that the children will get the benefit of healthcare, education in the state of Meghalaya. Moreover, as you know that there are about 1,500 plus of village which does not serve by this ICDS under Akanvadi program. So with this implementing of this mission, we hope that we will be able to cater to the need of the children who need the care at the early stage. As you know, there are about more than 4 lakh children in the age of 0 to 6 years. So, and as you know that as of now, the ICDS cover about 4,000 plus village. There are about 1,500 plus village which have not covered under the ICDS program. And there are also the new habitation. So we didn't want that the children to lose their livelihood or the benefit. So the government of Meghalaya brought up this to take care both about nutrition, the well-being, and also the education value, and also the how to keep the children the holistic development in their childhood. This program have been born by the external aided program of the government. Tentatively is about 350 crore. The years we have not finalized yet because the nitty-gritty of the financial thing will come after signing of the MOU with the agency who will provide the fund. Because as I know, that's why it is about 50 million.
Hagani ka jing yalang ka kinhon menteri kala menjur ya ka jing terwa ban penbet thma ya ka Meghalaya Settlement of Area hapo ka State Taxation Act Amendment Ordinance arajar arpuar.
The government has approved the proposal to amend the Meghalaya Settlement of Areas under the State Taxation Act Amendment Ordinance 2022. As you are aware that the government has implemented the one-time settlement of tax, but in the course of time, there are some person, some firm, some agency who have already paid some percentage of the tax, but they could not clear all. There are some firm which have already submitted the application, but they could not pay because the last date for settlement of the same is over. So the taxation department have moved to keep only for those who have submitted the application, who have submitted their willingness as on that date. The purpose is just to settle that people which have already been applied for the same. So the cabinet also has approved this ordinance to enable those dealers traders or person who have a liability to settle the tax. With this, the government will able to generate about 12 crore for these pending cases which are lying with the taxation department. Settlement of the taxation department for those people who have a liability to pay to the government have been passed by the state legislature, but there are few persons who have the liability who are willing to pay because of the last date have been over. They cannot pay. Even if they have, they are willing to pay. But this is not the extension of the scheme. This is action just the time to pay for those people who have expressed their willingness to pay and who have already paid partially to their dues to the government. About 26 have fully paid their dues. There are about 10 applicants who fully paid the net dues payable, but there are some are still pending. So these are the things which need to be completed to complete the process. That's why the taxation department come with this request to the cabinet, and the cabinet has approved that request to settle this scheme once for all. As you know that the registration of vehicle, once they transfer outside the state, a person outside the state or take the vehicle outside the state, after 1 year they have to again to register in another state. So the government of India have implement this, bring up the new BH series, where this will be a benefit more for the people who transfer from one place to another place. They didn't have to register their vehicle if they go from one state to another state due to transfer or change of residence. So the transport department have brought this cabinet memo, and the cabinet has approved for the same, where the BH series will also be implemented in the state, so that a person who is transferred from one place to another place, he don't need to register the vehicle again and again to get the new number.